Chand Dashmana Gold Medal. Gold Medal by Provincial Medical Services Association. Mrs. Kaushalya Devi Bhatia and ML Bhatia Gold Medal. Professor Jitendra Agarwal Gold Medal. Silver Medal in Obstetrics and Gynecology and ENT. Certificate of Honor in Pediatrics. And Silver Jubilee Reunion MBBS Badge Book Prize. As is the tradition, I request the audience to kindly give a standing ovation to her. Her hard work needs a huge round of applause and appreciation. I call upon the next award recipient, Nidhi Singh. I call upon the next award recipient, Nidhi Singh, along with her parents, to come on the stage. Nidhi Singh receives Dr. RML Mehrotra Memorial Gold Medal in the SC category with highest aggregate marks in the MBBS first, second, and third professional examination for the year 2026. I now call upon the next awardee, Abhilasha Ghosh, along with her parents. She gets H.D. Gupta Memorial Gold Medal and cash prize of 10,000 rupees. Dr. Govilla Gold Medal, Dr. Srimati Santosh Jain Memorial Gold Medal, Professor M.N. Mathur Gold Medal, Professor K.P. Chaudhary Gold Medal, KGMU Gold Medal in the name of Professor Anil Chandra, Gold Medal with distinction in periodontology, oral and maxillofacial surgery, oral medicine and radiology, Silver Medal with distinction in prosthodontics, Certificate of Honor in orthodontics and pedodontics and conservative dentistry. Further, I call upon Aniket Chand Saxena along with his parents. Aniket gets Dr. Pradeep Jaina Gold Medal for Best Intern, Gold Medal in Orthodontics and Conservative Dentistry, Silver Medal in Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery, Bronze Medal for Final BDS Exam, and Certificate of Honors in Prosthodontics and Oral Medicine and Radiology. Our next awardee is Dr. Prabhat Shukla, who gets Professor N.C. Mishra Memorial Gold Medal for Best MCH Student passing the university exam in 2025. Dr. Preeti Gupta gets Dr. A.M. Carr Centenary Gold Medal for Best Performance in DM Neurology Examination for the University Exam 2025. Dr. Saritesh Kumar Thakur is awarded late Srimati Satti Nag Gold Medal for Best DM Neurology Postgraduate Student passing the exam in 2025. Dr. Jitendra Yadav gets Professor T.C. Goel Gold Medal for Best MCH Urology Postgraduate Student passing the exam in year 2025. Dr. Rupal Prasad gets the Siddharth Kumar Das Gold Medal for obtaining highest marks in DM Rheumatology examination for the year 2025. Dr. Saket Ramraikak is awarded Dr. Ravi Kant Gold Medal for Best DM Cardiology Postgraduate Student passing the exam in year 2025. Dr. Siddharth Sharma gets KGMU Gold Medal in Cardiology for being second student in merit in DM Cardiology for the year 2025. Dr. Shubhra Srivastav gets the KGMU Gold Medal in Pulmonary Medicine for being the best student in DM Pulmonary Medicine for the year 2025. Dr. Jason Golmay is awarded Sir Sri Dayal Memorial Gold Medal for obtaining MCH Neurosurgery degree in first attempt and adjudged the best student for the year 2025. Dr. Srivats Mishra gets the Dr. B.R. Agarwal Memorial Gold Medal for adjudged the best MCH student for the year 2025 in plastic and reconstructive surgery. Sakshi Tripathi is awarded Padma Shri Dr. Sabyasachi Sarkar Gold Medal for highest aggregate marks in MSc Nursing first year and second year for the year 2025. Dr. Shalini Singh from Department of Pharmacology receives 12th late Dr. Janvi Dutt Pandey Scholarship Award of Rs 30,000 for Best MD MS Thesis for the year 2026. Dr. Aitra Saha from Department of Clinical Hematology receives first KGMU Scholarship in memory of late Professor H.P. Gupta of Rs 30,000 for Best Thesis in DMMCH. Nikhil Verma is awarded Certificate of Honor and the Buckley Cup presented by Rai Sahab Brij Ballabh Kishore Sadiq Muradabadi of Faizabad for the year 2025. Divyanshi Singh is awarded Champion Athlete Girls for the 104th Annual Sports Meet 2025 of Athletic Association KGMU. Congratulations to all the students. And I request all the student awardees to arrange themselves for the group photograph behind the dignitaries on the dais. I will request the dignitaries to be seated so that the group photograph can be done.